So good morning my students, how are you all? So in the last practical session we have learnt about the Windows Media Player, control panel and about all the properties of the control panel. What were the properties of the control panel? I'll just remind you once again. We learned about the system and security, network and internet, user account, appearance and personalization, clock, language, programs, ease of access, and we have learnt about hardware and sound, how to change date and time I taught you, and how to change the mouse settings. I even taught you about the display to increase the light, background light to decrease the light, means if you may have to make it dim, and what all I just taught you in the last session. So today we are going to learn how to install an application. See, in your phones, everyone is having a phone at your home. How do you install an application on a phone? You go on to the Play Store, whatever application you want to install, you just go over there, you write the name and you install an application. So in the case of computer, how do we install an application? Over here, first of all, we have switch on the computer. Fine. Now we'll refresh it. How do we refresh it? We right click on it and on the third option we can see refresh, and then we'll left click. जब भी आप कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करोगे, योर फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू रिफ्रेश. जब तक आप रिफ्रेश नहीं करोगे आपका कंप्यूटर सही से वर्क नहीं करेगा. एंड इफ़ आप रिफ्रेश करके ही अपना कंप्यूटर में आगे वर्क करोगे, देन वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से वर्क करेगा. So always remember to refresh your computer, and the shortcut key to refresh a computer is F5. You know all the function keys, F1, F2, F3 and so on. It is still F10. Sorry, F10 it is still F12. So if you will press F5, then your system will automatically refresh. See, I am pressing F5. You can see that the icons are blinking, means I am refreshing it. Fine. So now we'll learn about how to install an application. First of all, we'll go on to the Google Chrome. We'll double click on it. Google Chrome has opened. Now if over here I'll write that I want to download, suppose, Zoom app, I'll just type it over here. Download Zoom app. It has come. I'll just click on it. You can see download for Windows. I'll double click on it and see it is downloading. It is written over here, we are now downloading Zoom, and you can see the arrow, and even you can see that the Zoom is installing. See over here, Zoom is installing. When it will be done, we'll be able to open it. So all of you have learned how to install a Zoom application into a system. So you can install any application like this in your system. You will just go on the Google Chrome, whichever application you want to install, you will just type and then you will click on install and double click. Fine, our application is being installed and we are ready to run this application now. See, initialize means it is installing in the system. 52% complete. See, Zoom has downloaded. If there is a meeting, we want to have any video conferencing or anything, we can just join a meeting and we can start. Fine, all of you have learned how to install an application now. So now we learn how to uninstall a program. Means जो programs install है मेरे laptop पे, if I want to uninstall any of that, so how we will do that? See, first of all, you will go on the start button. After that, you will go on the control panel. See, just now we have installed Zoom. See, it is showing over here. The program has come over here, start Zoom. Fine. So now then we'll go on the control panel, the second step. After that we'll go on programs, and under the programs you can see it is written uninstall a program. We'll click on it. This is a list of programs, means जितने भी programs मेरे laptop पे हैं उसकी list आ गई है. So if I want to uninstall any of these, I can just click on it and it will uninstall. Suppose just now we have installed Zoom, I want to uninstall it. I'll just click on it. See, the option is there, uninstall. You all can see. I'll just press on uninstall. See, now it is uninstalling. So you have learned how to install and uninstall an application on a system. It is very easy. Now we'll learn about troubleshooting. That what is troubleshooting now. So now what is troubleshooting basically? See, troubleshooting is like it is the process of identifying or planning and resolving a problem. Like अगर we are using a system and we are facing any problem in it and we want to resolve that problem, so in that case troubleshooting is helpful to us. You'll just go on the control panel, you'll go on troubleshooting. See, troubleshooting icon is over here. We'll click on it. Like we are facing any problem in the programs while running programs, so it will help us to resolve a problem. Like if I am having any problem in my internet connection, like internet is not working on my laptop, so troubleshooting will help me in this. Fine. Now we'll come on to means I'll just give you a quick revision, like what all we have learned. We have learned about the Windows Media Player. What was Windows Media Player? Means it is a special program in which we can listen to the audios and even to the videos. Means to the digital media. We'll go on all programs and Windows Media Player. That day also I taught you. Even I told you that these settings will not be there in your computer. Next, I'll just make all the settings visible, and then you'll see that a list will appear of all the songs, and you can listen to all the songs, and you can listen and you can see all the videos in the Windows Media Player. So learn how to go on to the Windows Media Player. Your first step is to go on the start button, then you will go on all programs, then you will go on Windows Media Player. Fine. Next, you learnt about the control panel. Control, will go on control panel. These are the properties of the control panel. This system and security, user account and family. Means if you are having any problem in your system, you can just go and solve it over here. Like suppose I want to change the time, my time is showing wrong. I'll just go on it. I'll just go on the settings of change date and time, and then whatever date I want to apply and whatever time I want to apply, I can just apply the date and time. And even if I want to change my language, even if I want to change my region, I can just go from the settings and change my region and language, date and time. If I am facing any problem in my hardware devices, like I am facing any problem in my mouse, and also I'll go on the hardware and sound option. If I am facing any problem in my appearance, means I have to change the desktop background and anything, so I can just change it from here. So do you all want to learn how to change the desktop background? You all want to learn? कि हम लोग अपने लैपटॉप का डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड कैसे चेंज करते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट इन योर कोर्स, स्टिल आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू लर्न अबाउट दिस. सी दिस इज़ आवर डेस्कटॉप. ये हमारी डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन है. किसको मीन्स पढ़ना है कि लाइक डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड कैसे चेंज करते हैं. यू ऑल वांट, बिकॉज अगर इफ़ वील बाय अ न्यू कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो, न्यू लैपटॉप ऑल्सो, देन वेन एवर वील स्टार्ट अ computer, we'll always get a screen like this. And if someday we are getting bored that we don't want to see this desktop and we want to change this, or if we want to apply our photograph on it, so how will you apply? How many of you know how to apply a photo? So today we'll learn how to apply a photo. See, this is a mouse. Everyone can see this is a mouse. हाँ, वी विल राइट क्लिक ऑन दी माउस. हम लोग क्या करेंगे डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड चेंज करने के लिए बच्चा, हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि राइट क्लिक करेंगे. ठीक है, आफ्टर डूइंग दी राइट क्लिक, सी लास्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑफ पर्सनलाइज. वील गो ऑन दी पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन. ठीक है, सी ओवर हेयर वी कैन सी द थीम्स ऑफ दी डेस्कटॉप. अभी हमारी कौन सी है, Windows 7 डेस्कटॉप, उसमें सेट है. हाँ, लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू अप्लाई this setting. So it is, you heard a sound, you heard a tune, so it is being applied. Fine. Again, if I want to change the desktop background, then again I'll go over here, I'll just maximize it. I want to apply of the like Hobbit. See the Hobbit. If again I want to change, I want to apply this, see, it is being applied. So have you all learned how to change the background? Fine. Now I want you all to do this practical at your home. Fine. And if you are having any doubt or anything, you can just ask me in the doubt session freely. I'll always be available to answer all your doubts. Fine. बेटा, अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो ये प्रैक्टिकल करने में, आप अपने घर पे प्रैक्टिकल करो इसको. ठीक है, एक एक चीज़ अच्छे से मीन्स लाइक आप प्रोग्राम को इंस्टॉल करो एंड प्रोग्राम को अनइंस्टॉल करो. हाँ, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है किसी भी सिस्टम में, लाइक विंडोज़ मीडिया प्लेयर रन करने में, इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, या आइदर इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस कंट्रोल पैनल प्रॉपर्टीज और इंस्टॉलिंग अ प्रोग्राम, अनइंस्टॉलिंग a program, so you can just ask me in the doubt session. I'll tell you each and everything. But the main motive behind all this is that I just want you all to learn all this. Fine. Means I want you all कि आप लोग जल्दी से ये सब सीखो, लाइक क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती है सिस्टम की. Fine. Thank you so much for today. Bye. Take care.